To submit an assignment on Google Classroom, go to classroom.google.com, then on your left-hand side here, click this menu, then under the Enrolled, choose To Do. You'll find your assignment's name. Click on it. On your right-hand side here, you'll find your work, the one you're assigned. Click Add or Create. Choose File. Then select Files from your device. A window should appear. Choose your file. Then Upload. After the file is uploaded, click Hand In. Confirm that you want to hand it in. Now it's submitted. If you chose the wrong file, click Unsubmit.